రిషిక.
My name is Rishika. I am studying 4th class. My mother name is Anuradha. My father name is Ravi. My school name is MPPS Kottapalli. My I'm studying in 3rd class. My father name is Hanmantu. My mother name is Rekha. My name is Anjit. My father is 4th class. And father is Ramanjanulu. And father is Maniyamma. I'm studying with My name is Soumya. I'm studying in 4th class. MPPS. My school name is MPPS Kottapalli. My mother name is Rajamma. My father name is Narsimhu. My brother name is Rajesh. My sister name is Rameshri. My name is Balagordhan. I am studying in 5th class. My father name is Raju. My mother name is Madevi. My brother name is Balavishnu. My school name is MPPS Kottapalli.